So when we picked this spot, we had to get it in the woods in a nice open location. This specific chicken house we built for our youngest son. He had specialized breeds of chickens that he had ordered from out of state, and they were separate from my batch of chickens. These ones could not be mixed with mine, so they needed a separate house because the roosters would attack each other. We used scavenged materials. The metal on the roof had actually come from our home. We used a baby crib for the side and front railing that we added detail to with paint. The columns on the front were from a previous project like 10 years ago that I had saved and toted from house to house. The back of the chicken coop we built together with a cathedral style ceiling and lots of chicken wire. We gave them a tarp so they had some shade and an area from the hot, horrible Florida sun. It had a automatic chicken waterer in it. It had a automatic feeder we had found inspired by Pinterest. And inside there was multiple perches with lots of cross ventilation on the windows. And we really had a lot of fun with this. The whole family chipped in.